Zerotier versus Tailscale. So which VPN is better? Are you wondering which VPN is better? Zerotier or Tailscale? In this video I'll compare both to help you choose the best one for your needs. For the ease of setup, Tailscale offers a more streamlined, simple setup using WireGuard. Zerotier is a bit more complex, requiring configuration but offers more flexibility. Tailscale excels in speed and reliability for the network performance with low latency connections, while Zerotier's performance is good, but it's more prone to occasional delays, especially on larger networks. For security, both VPNs are secure, with Tailscale using WireGuard's cryptography and Zerotier offering its own encryption. However, Tailscale has a more refined security model and easier access control. For scalability, Zerotier is highly customizable and better suited for larger or more complex networks. Tailscale is simpler but great for smaller setups or personal use. And for pricing, Tailscale offers a free tier with basic features, while Zerotier is also free for personal use but offers more control for enterprise-level needs. Zerotier is great for flexibility, while Tailscale is the easier, more secure option for most users. So choose which one fits your needs. Thanks for watching.